Para sa PNP Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, hindi aksidente ang nangyaring pagkamatay ng Ateneo Men's Basketball Team na sina Rene Baterbonia at Divine Adili. Ang dalawang manlalaro na nakasama sa training, ibinahaging muntik na rin silang mamatay sa lakas ng alon. May report si Oscar Oida.
Kung di po ako umalis dito, mamamatay na din po ako.
I really don't know how to swim po. Parang nag-give up na po ako nun.
Halos ikamatay raw ng Ateneo basketball players na sina Sam Reyes at Kiefer Alas ang kanilang team building sa Dipakulaw, Aurora. Sa podcast na Let's Talk with Pia Ontiveros, ikinwento nila kung paano hinila sila ng mga alon sa mas malalalim na bahagi ng dagat.
Nung nag-walk po kami ng few meters, parang lumalalim na po siya ng onte. Lumakas po yung alon. Bigger than us po. Nung first wave po talaga kasi, we were riding the wave and we didn't realize na hinahatak na po kami.
Third wave po. Like,
Yeah.
that's when everyone started screaming na po. I was like going down and down. I was like gonna accept na mawala na po ako. Then, after more seconds went by, I felt my feet touch the sand. I jumped po and gasped for air.
Una raw natagpuan si Rene. Nang matagpuan naman si Divine, meron pa raw siyang pulso.
It
Not
was
all,
just players po. When we saw Rene, it was us who carried him out of the water. Wala pong tumulong.
Binigyan ng CPR ang dalawa, pero pinatigil ito ng responder.
They tried CPR for both Rene and Divine on the
yung
beach.
kay
no?
Rene po, si Sir Jeric,
Yeah, RPD
And then,
po. Tapos pinastop po yata
pinastop po ng medic para po ilagay sa stretcher and then to rush to the ambulance po.
Itinanggi nilang may suot silang weights o pabigat at initiation rights ang ginawang training. Nasasaktan daw sila sa kritisismo ng publiko.
It's like going through 2 deaths po. Na,
Yeah.
like, the first one is losing our 2 teammates. Then now being criticized for their deaths.
Parang nabuhay nga po kami pero parang pinapatay po kami. I feel guilt.
Why?
Rene was beside me and parang I felt na I could have done more na para di siya malunod. So it was eating me alive.
Tingin ng dalawa, may pagkukulang sa pagtiyak ng kanilang kaligtasan.
When I was almost drowning po, I was just alone. So, for me, parang kulang po yung safety na...
During the accident mismo, that's when we started feeling that kind of way.
Sa investigasyon ng PNP-CIDG, alam na mga lumahok sa team building ang kondisyon ng dagat noon.
As far as CIDG is concerned, hindi ito aksidente.
Right now, ma'am?
Yes,
No,
po.
it's not. You won't send somebody doon on that condition. They were aware that the current was strong prior to leaving.
Hindi lang daw sina Rene at Divine ang nadisgrasya.
You are confirming that na 4 nga po
Yeah.
ang nalunod.
4, yeah. Some of them already experienced na makainom ng water. Including a foreigner one. Another one.
48 ang pinasampina ng CIDG para magpaliwanag kaugnay sa insidente. Kabilang dyan ang mga player ng team, pero 7 lang ang sumipot. Nagpakita naman sa NBI ang 11 sa mga player, kasama ang kanilang mga abogado o kaanak. Magkakaiwalay silang kinuna ng pahayag. Hindi nila ito ibinahagi sa media.
I assured them that it will be handled fairly and professionally, no. So, yung participation nila will be very material to the result of the investigation.
Inaasahan naman ng NBI na haharapin sila sa Biyernes ng head coach na si Tab Baldwin. Inisyuhan na ng Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order si Baldwin. Iba pang Ateneo coaches, pati ang team manager na si Christopher Epo Quimpo. Sa Talacogon, Agusan del Sur, kung saan nakaburol ngayon si Rene, isinusulong ng LGU ang resolusyon para sa transparent, patas at masusing investigasyon. Gusto rin nilang ideklara ang June 8 bilang Rene Clerk Baterbonia Day. Ang labi naman ni Divine inilipat na sa Arlington Memorial Chapels. Dumalaw ang dating teammate ni Divine sa national basketball team ng Nigeria.
We have to, talk to people, to schools, so that they can try to donate more. Because Divine, the father said, is their breadwinner.
Naging emosyonal naman ang kapwa Nigeria ni Divine na si Solomon Obina Okereke na naglalaro ng football para sa bansa.
I know how it feels to be an athlete outside the country. It's so hard, to trying to make a difference. And when you're in another country, you just have to be responsible. You just have to, try your best to see how you can feed your family.
Oscar Oida, GMA News.